Good morning, Aloha Camper Traveler here, and I'm making chocolate chip cookies with some of these walnuts chopped up and put in there. Not too much. Some people don't like the taste, but I do. And this is the chocolate chips that I bought. I've never used them before. I have made these cookies before, but a little different recipe. And anyway, I thought I'd share this with you because they're delicious. As you can see, I've already made a batch or two. I gave my neighbor 10 of them, and she was very surprised and happy. These came out kind of cake-like. And the reason why they came out kind of cake-like was when I put all the ingredients together, I added an extra egg. And if you want them more cookie-like, then you just use one egg. You can make these vegan by, instead of having eggs, you use the Just Eggs. They sell it at Walmart. But I've been lacking a bit of the proteins and other things that I need in my diet, so I made these with real eggs. So as a rule, I try to be vegan, but sometimes it's difficult. So anyway, I have these going. I will put the recipe in the notes below the video, and please subscribe to my videos. I need to build my subscriber list, or I may lose my channel. I don't know how they work it, but it's very small right now, and that's why I'm doing this video on cookies. I thought it might boost my channel a little bit. And this is my messy camper. That's where I store my stuff, because this thing is, I had to totally redo the interior of it. It's pretty rough. Right now it's got a decent paneling and ceiling, and this is a new skylight I put in, new lights. Here's my cabinets. Those are the only two cabinets that survived from the mess that this was. And there's my little shelf that I built. And here's my cooking area. So anyway, this is how I live. Got my two computers, and that's what I use to, that's what I sleep on and use for storing stuff. Anyway, enough of this. So anyway, the Aloha Camper is coming together little by little. Enjoy the cookie recipe. I will post it on there. It's pretty easy and anybody can do it. So have a terrific day. Be safe, be happy, and be kind to each other. Aloha.